Welcome to this first CForms for Joomla tutorial. It will cover the installation, basic settings and the creation of a first simple form. For the installation we navigate to Manage Install in the Joomla backend. We click on Choose File, choose the CForms package and click on Upload and Install. After that we navigate to Components, CForms, Forms. Here you can see we already have a sample form, but we want to create a new one. So we click on New, and as you can see we just have an empty form here. So let's add some fields by clicking on Elements, choosing the fields and a text area. If we want to create a simple contact form, we need 4 fields, and let's change the form accordingly. The first one gets the label Your Name, the second one the label Your Email, and we say these fields are required. So we switch required on. You see an asterisk is added to the title. We can also choose the validator from default, username, password, numeric and email. For this one we stick with default, which just validates that the user wrote something in it. For the second one we use the email validator. We can also add default values or placeholders instead. The next field will be the subject, which is also required, and the message, which is required too with the default validator, and we can make it a bit longer, let's say 6 rows. After that we can take a look at the form configuration. First we give it a noticeable name. Here we can set up also the email recipients, just separate them with a semicolon, and we can choose the form type, inline, horizontal and default. You can also directly preview the form on other devices by clicking on these icons. This would be the smartphone preview in the size of a default iPhone, and this would be the large preview. In our sample all fields are always 100% white and so we don't need to make adjustments in the different views. Now we click on Save and Close, navigate to the menu and create a new menu here. Let's call it Contact. Select the CForms menu, Form. Select our newly created form. Let's give it a nice title. Let's call it Contact Us. We could also change the Submit button text, but the one here is fine. We click on Save, navigate to the Joomla front end, and we see we have a new menu entry here. And when we click on Contact, we see our newly created form. And as you can see, we have a validation also active.